How to fix the no notification sound issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on sound and vibration. Now here tap on do not disturb option and then tap on do not disturb button. If this button is turned on, then tap on this button to turn it off, because when do not disturb is turned on, it will silence the calls and notifications sound. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after that the notification sound issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings. Now again tap on sound and vibration, and from here, if you have set your phone to silent, then set it to sound and drag this notification slider to the right side to increase the notification sound. And after that, the notification sound issue will be fixed. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings, and then here again tap on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the notification sound issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the no notification sound on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.